This is what happens when you sleep with your hair wet. It gets a little wonky. I'm gonna try to fix it today with my straightener and do some waves. Good morning, welcome to a new vlog. Happy Easter. I was able to sleep for a good 7 hours last night on this air mattress. It's 8:30 at the moment. Should be heading out around 10 o'clock. Get some breakfast first. I'll get back with you when I am all ready to go. Here's my outfit for the day. I did waves with my hair. It looks nice. And then I'm wearing this two-piece set that I got from Shein. I've already worn this to San Diego last year, but I decided to tie it right here this time. So it's cute. Just wearing like a plain black crop top underneath from Target. And yeah, that is my outfit. Just wanted something very comfortable, airy, breathable, and light. I asked my mom if my outfit was cute, and her response was, mine is cuter. You can still say mine is cute. Jeez. Her outfit is cute today. Hey guys, we've just been running around. As you guys saw, we went to, where did we go? We went to go get breakfast at this European Ukrainian cafe. It was very good. It's like family owned and they were speaking Ukrainian. And so I was like, oh, Alexander will like this place. It's really cute. I like the vibe. The owner, he played a couple of songs for us with the guitar and sang. It was really sweet. And then we went to Walmart, and then we went to this Vietnamese market. Got myself a sugarcane juice. It's really good. Well, not as good as the ones back home, but it's still good. After the Asian market, we swung by the car wash, which was next door to it. Cleaned my mom's car. There was a bunch of bugs at the front, obviously from the road trip. There was just so many dead bugs splattered onto her car. So we did that, and then we dropped off Eric so he can take Mega out and unload all the stuff that we got at Walmart. And then my mom and I wanted to go to Ross and Marshall's, but they're all closed on Easter, which is not a surprise. But Dollar Tree's open, so we swung by Dollar Tree really quick and got a couple things there. And then now we're back at the apartment, but we're going to be heading out soon. We're going to IKEA. They're open today. I called and confirmed. They're open until 6 o'clock today. Right now it is 2:18. And the nearest IKEA is in Orlando, so it's going to be an hour drive. I'm driving today because I was a passenger princess the whole road trip. It's really nice here. Like, the roads here are really smooth and people are so nice. They let you in, they don't cut you out, they wave at you. There's no potholes, no bumpy roads as of yet. Who knows? But so far lately, I've been driving today and a little bit of yesterday, and no potholes. I really like it. Yeah, so we're going to IKEA so that Eric can get a computer desk and a nice standing lamp for the living room, because the lights in his apartment are very, very dim. They're super dark, and there's honestly no point of turning it on. It doesn't make any difference if it's on or off at night. During the day it's completely fine because he has this huge window in the living room and it brings in so much natural light. So we're good during the day, but at night it's just so like, ugh, dark. My lips look so bare, but my mom was like, don't wear red lipstick, because all I brought was that red lip tint, and my mom was like, don't wear it. I don't like red lips. on anyone. I'm like, oh, red lip is such a statement. I love red lips, but she's not a big fan. So she was like, just wear your gloss. I'm like, okay. Yeah, it took us an hour and 20 minutes to get here. It's pretty far actually, but it is crowded. Just looking at the parking lot, it's so crowded. Ooh, this is a bad angle. I don't know about you guys, but I just love looking at the model kitchens here at IKEA. This one is really pretty. I like this one. I like this kitchen too. It's so cute. I love this one. I love natural wood. So this is so pretty. The little fixtures, they're so nice. This is like a perfect size kitchen for me, literally. I don't need anything bigger than this. To end our night, we're gonna have K-pot Korean barbecue for dinner. It's Korean barbecue and hot pot. This is cute. That's all fake. Okay, first impressions of this restaurant is it's really nice inside, it's clean, and they have a buffet that's also included in the barbecue as well. So there's appetizers, desserts, and all these sides that you typically get on the table, you get yourself. Thank you! Which is nice. So there's also plantains. I'm gonna try this out and see if it's any good. It's good. Chicken karage? Oh my god. The cucumbers are so good. Sorry if I'm a little bit cut off on top, but we're back home now. Dinner was good. Removing my makeup and going to shower. It was a good day, guys. It was a good Easter. Place is coming more and more together. Eric got his desk. He didn't get a lamp though. He didn't like anything there. Ah! Most likely going to order a lamp from Amazon. But we did get a desk and a few more kitchen items at IKEA, like pots and pans and bowls. And then we got Mega a new toy. So cute. It's just like a tire for him to chew on and play. But he's doing so good here. My mom got a plant or a flower from Walmart to leave here for Eric to take care of. It looks more lively in the porch. It looks nice. I'm gonna finish removing my makeup and take a shower.
I
don't think so.
Không có chơi, không có chơi thôi. Không, no. Rồi chơi. Paw. Another paw. Good boy.
Good morning, guys. In the car now with my mom. I dropped off Eric on his first day at work here. Even with morning traffic, it took me like 7 minutes to drop him off, and then it took me 9 minutes to drive back home. So it's very close by. So he's there for the day, and it's just me and my mom. We walked Mega around the apartment complex just to kind of check out everything. They have like a really small dog park, very small, but there's a huge pond in the back. So once you cross that pond or walk around that pond, there's even a bigger dog park and an actual park for kids to play and stuff, which is convenient. It's just right behind us. It's very close. Yeah, so now we're heading out. We are going to Marshall's, Target, Dollar Tree, all that stuff to buy a few more things and possibly getting a pedicure today. We'll see how the rest of the day goes. Once we pick up Eric, I think he wants to take us to this pizza joint in downtown. He says it's really good, and from the photos it does look good. And then go check out these beautiful mansions off the coast of Melbourne. So yeah, that's the day. This two-piece set looks really comfortable. Those pretty picture frames. You guys, this one's pretty. This Marshall's is very clean and well organized. I like it a lot. It's so nice here. So we're looking for a sponge holder for the kitchen and a little jar for his Q-tips. And then what else? What else? There's another thing I forgot. But just a few items here. Now at Home Goods right next door. Again, they organize everything so well here. Look at this cute stuff for the springtime. And everyone here is so nice, you guys. Every single worker greeted us. They're so nice. Looks like hay. I like this one. This one's cute. Love the neutrals. We're at 5 and below now. Look at these big ones. I could never. But we're looking for slippers for Eric to wear at home. $5 t-shirts are not bad actually. They're pretty cute. They have so many options. I came, I saw, I left early. Yep, that's me. Okay, no slippers for Eric here. That's okay. It's not an urgent purchase. We'll find it somewhere else. But my mom and I are gonna go. What do we do now? Get a pedicure? Okay, let's go get a pedicure. I called like 10 nail places just to see what their prices are on basic pedicures. And so we're going to Magic Nails and Spa since it's close by. And my mom is loving the paper flowers here. All right, let's get these crusty feet cleaned up. Yay for a fresh pedicure featuring Megabutt. Hey buddy, I'm gonna take you on a walk soon, okay? You've been so good. Look at this hair. I've been looking crazy. It's 2 o'clock now. Eric doesn't get off for another 2.5 hours. So I'm just gonna go take him for a nice walk, come back, chill, relax until we go pick up Eric. And also need to go to a couple of other stores with Eric. We need to go to Staples. I am fasting still. Today's Monday. So I'm fasting until 6:30 p.m. and then we're gonna go grab dinner. Check out this beautiful plant. Perennials. These are really pretty. So hopefully Eric can keep this alive. But my mom got that for the porch. Nothing like finding parking right in front of the restaurant. I'm so hungry. Okay, Eric says this is his favorite pizza place of all time. So let's see if I agree. But we looked at the locations. There's one in Dallas, and then they're opening up 3 other ones in Texas. So if I'm ever craving this place, if it's that good, I can always eat it back in Dallas. They got spicy extra virgin olive oil. Never had that before. For 99 cents, you can get their truffle oil, and it smells amazing. I got the Star Michelle pizza, which is like a veggie pizza. And my mom got Meat Lovers. Eric also got a Star pizza. It's called the Star Carlos. Yes. That looks amazing, you guys.
If you want to use the fork,
I'll report back afterwards because it's a little loud in here. And I want to enjoy my food. The burger place. That looks
there's
cute.
a lot of restaurants here that are good.
Yeah, they're so cute here.
I want to try. There's a brewery / bar / food bar. That's probably gonna be my go-to place to drink.
This little gift shop.
They make some good food.
I might go here this weekend when you're gone, just to like stroll around.
Yeah, cool. Osuki. Oh, is it sushi? Yeah, I think I've been to this one.
Osuki? You said it's good?
I think it's just all you can eat sushi. It's okay.
Okay. It's very quaint here, you guys. Really cute. But okay, so Mr. 01. It was really really good. I really like the Star Pizza because they stuffed the crust area with ricotta cheese. So that was really nice and refreshing. But the truffle oil and the spicy olive oil was so good to put on your pizza.
It's not for everybody though.
Yeah, it is.
Mom didn't like it.
Yeah, our mom didn't really like that place. She likes more traditional pizza. This one is, you know, I don't know, these new types of pizza. I don't know, but it's good.
Thin crust.
Thin crust.
Very light.
It's light, yeah.
Cái thịt bì nó ngon.
Yeah,
like the crust?
the thin crispy.
Like the cheese? The cheese
The
in it?
ricotta cheese is good.
You don't like? She didn't like the ricotta cheese.
Oh, I love ricotta cheese. Like, I'm not a big fan of certain cheeses, but I like ricotta cheese. Oh, Eric is gonna take us for a little drive to check out these nice houses on the coastline, yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. Before we go to Home Depot.
Okay.
Ooh, this one's for sale. It's 260
260.
Spoon Hill.
Wait.
I mean,
900,000.
How much?
900K.
Oh my gosh, really?
Almost a million.
For that house?
Yeah.
That's $1 million
Were you looking
neighborhood.
at that on Zillow or what?
Right here. On Zillow.
Yeah,
Đó
it's
là cái nhà.
900K.
Oh my gosh.
Just brand new, build 24.
Oh wow.
These are such nice homes.
Mà không có bự lắm đâu.
I know, but so much thing.
23,
the location.
2400.
Oh, this one's nice too. Look at this one.
Oh, that one is
Around
nice.
1 billion.
Around
1 million.
1 million.
Oh my
Nhưng mà
god.
if compared to California,
Look at
it's
that.
still cheaper.
Still cheaper than California?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Right
Yeah,
one right here,
nó
Cindy.
Ooh.
Nhưng mà cái nhà ở đây.
Oh my gosh, why this one you go up the stairs?
Because the garage is on the bottom.
Nhưng mà cái nhà này
Oh.
cũ. Nhưng mà biết sao không? Ở đây insurance mắc lắm.
Oh,
'cause
yeah.
You're right by
Insurance
the
is really expensive.
beach. Oh, this one's nice and hidden.
Insurance rất là mắc.
Look at this one at the very end. Oh, look at this
Oh,
one.
that one is nice.
This
These
one
are
coming up
pretty.
right here.
Oh, it's a dead end.
Yeah, this guy's gated.
Oh, this is
it's private drive.
huge.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Even though they're old, some of them like old, these probably still
Yeah.
so it's all about location.
All about location. That one's nice too.
Even the location, this
Very colorful homes. It's like a Skittle neighborhood. Skittles.
Oh, this one's on for sale. I don't know if it's the plot or the. This goes.
Okay.
I don't know if it's the plot or the. This is compass.
Thì nó còn mấy cái
This one's on sale. It looks like, or it's
Yeah.
like leasing. Not leasing, but like.
cái này mới.
You can do the colors?
Can't do it. I can't do it.
Không có
Yeah,
đẹp.
it's too colorful.
I just
Cái
like.
này chưa colorful cái màu này.
I just
Look
like
at this.
white.
Look at this.
Cái xe yellow này.
The house is yellow and the car is yellow.
Balcony làm sao nhìn ra thấy ocean.
Yeah.
You have your own beach access.
Right.
Private beach in the area.
Đây nè.
Yeah. So pretty. Okay, we're turning around because it's getting a little dark and late. So we didn't get to see the huge mansions, but at least we got to check out some really cute and pretty $1 million homes and neighborhoods that are closer by. Oh, one day we will check out the bigger mansions. Very beautiful. So peaceful.
This looks all nice. Oh man, we should drive that.
You want to go in there?
Yeah, let me.
Okay.
Let me get gas. More gas today.
Đổ ít hơn.
Okay. Then we go that way. This is a little neighborhood,
That little section right
little
there.
community. Okay, cool. Fun.